everybody, my name is Danielle Wheeler and welcome to my YouTube channel, Willing Towards Success. So this episode is going to be another testimonial about something that I've been going through for the past 5 months at this point in regards to my hair. So I got braids and I had an allergic reaction. At that time, I didn't know that I was allergic to the braiding hair, like the weave. And I kept trying to figure out what was going on. So I tried different products to like get rid of like the acne breakout that was actually happening in my scalp. So I finally went to the dermatologist and like they gave me an allergen test. And then that's when I found out that I was allergic to hair dye. So at the time I was thinking like, oh, I'm allergic to this braiding hair, but it's actually that the dye that they actually use to color the hair. So let me walk you through that. So I went to get my hair done in like twists, and I can reference you back to the episode that I did with Asia Sparks, Family Feuds. That hairstyle that had like the blonde, burgundy, all the colors. It started then. I had like acne in my scalp. Like I tried different remedies like washing it just with shampoo and conditioner, seeing if that would relieve like the itch. I tried spraying it with vinegar and like nothing helped. So I finally just took the hair out and was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the dermatologist, because at that point my scalp was like on fire. It was really bad. So I have a little helpful tip for any of you that's out there that are allergic to dye as well. So I found the solution. Again, I can't get like individuals where it's directly touching my scalp at the moment because I'm still recovering. But I noticed a temporary solution. Like if you notice the buns I wear in certain videos, that's not directly on my scalp, but still touching my scalp enough to cause an allergic reaction, is that soaking it in vinegar or spraying it in vinegar and washing it before you actually, you know, make contact with your skin for any reason is super, super, super helpful. And there's a variety of ways that you can do that. And I got the package here so I can show you. Again, this is not that I broke out from this type of hair, but I just wanted to give you an example. So here are my recommendations. For braiding hair, I would suggest spraying it with vinegar. Again, I know some people recommend that you dilute it. I personally do not think that you should add water to vinegar. I think you should spray it on there, like not diluted. And then let it sit for 30 minutes after you use a spray bottle to spray it with vinegar, and then washing it with soap and water, you know, not taking it out of the rubber band that it comes in, because then it's going to be harder to wash and then it's just going to be a waste of a pack hair. However, for crochet, I suggest that you boil water and I use a cup full of vinegar. You don't really need that much. I'm just still paranoid because I'm still in the process of healing right now. And soak the crochet hair in there, still in the packaged rubber band. And that one you just want to dip. You don't really have to soak it in there. I just dip it and then do the same thing. Wash it with soap and water. And so far, I haven't had any type of reactions. And again, I'll follow up and let you know how it goes. So thank you all for tuning in and have a good one. Bye.